Okay, so this is the first type of question on your homework. Is they'll give you the center of the circle, and they'll also give you the radius. You need to come up with the equation. Now remember that these are supposed to be exponents, so that's to the second power. So that it looks like this. It's actually this 2 that's right here. Um, so this is the format for the equation of a circle. This is h, and this is k, right? This is r for our radius. So basically, you're going to plug them in here. Since this is negative and this is minus, you're going to have x minus negative square root of 7 squared plus y minus negative 6 squared equals to the square root of 7 squared. All right, so this will be a plus, so you're going to have x plus the square root of 7 squared plus y plus 6 squared equals the square root of 7 squared is 7. All right, so this one looks good because they both have a plus plus, but this is r and it should be r squared, right? So it's not just r, it's r squared. So that's wrong. This is wrong because this one's negative and that was minus. They're both minus, so that one's out. So then this one's out also. This is minus and a minus, and this is 7, so that one's correct. This is a actually, no, take that back. It should be plus, right? This should be a plus. This should be a plus. So now this one's out too. Plus, 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 and it's 7. So that's your answer, letter D. So be careful on your R. This number out here is not going to be R right away. It's not going to be just the square root of 7. Like here, it's not going to be the same thing as that. It's not. Because you need to raise it to the second power. So since R in this case is 7, to the second power is just 7. So if they told you the radius is 2, then you should not expect the number 2 on this side equals 2. It won't be equals 2. It'll be equal to 2 squared, which is 4. Then you'll see a 4 here. If you're going backwards, and if it equals to, let's say, 16, then the radius is not 16. The radius is going to be the square root of 16, which is 4. So keep that in mind when you're looking at the number over here on the right side. That's going to be r squared, not r. It's going to be r squared. Okay?